Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to check Altcoin Season Index, the new method unlocked. Yes, so today we are on CoinMarketCap application. So now once you open your CoinMarketCap application, you just scroll up. So the first method to check your altcoin season index, you can see at the top here, you can see altcoin index 40/100. Just tap on it, then scroll down a little bit, then you will see beside the market dominance here, you will see altcoin season index. Then you tap on it, so you can see now CMC altcoin season index. So you can see by your left hand side Bitcoin season and by your right hand side altcoin season. So at the time of making this video, which is August 9, 2025, the altcoin season index is at 40/100. Now for altcoin season to start, altcoin season should be at exactly 75%. Yes, 75%. So when altcoin season starts climbing like 70%, then just know that we are in the altcoin season. Yes, so this is how to check altcoin season index. Maybe we are in the Bitcoin season or we are in the altcoin season. Now if you notice this orange line and the blue line, you notice there's like a tiny circle, so indicating that we just leaving the Bitcoin season and we are moving towards the altcoin season. You can see that. Now this is the first method of checking altcoin season index. Now let me show us another way of checking altcoin season index. So there's another way of checking this altcoin index. So here's it. So now there's a website that I'm going to show you right now. So I'll drop the website in the comment section so that you can copy it and paste it. So now the name of the website is blockchaincenter.net. blockchaincenter.net. So this website makes you to understand or know when the altcoin season will start. It will tell you the percentage, just like we've seen on CoinMarketCap where we checked recently. It will tell you where the altcoin season index is, and it will even tell you like in words if we are in the altcoin season or not. So after visiting this website, blockchaincenter.com, all you need to do is just scroll down. You can see it now. It will display alt season index. It is not altcoin season. You can see. So currently we are at 43%. So it is even indicating to us that we are not in the altcoin season yet. Now if or when altcoin season gets to like 75%, then this thing will change to it is altcoin season. I believe you are following now. So now let's scroll back. You see some other things there, like if you want to calculate the average of how altcoin season lasts, how long it lasts. So it is also here. Then look at the graph here. We have Bitcoin season at 25 and altcoin season at 75, just like I've mentioned earlier. So currently we are at 43%. So that means we are still not at altcoin season. Now when this graph starts moving up, starts shooting up towards 60, 65, 70, then 75, then you know that we are now in the altcoin season. So the first method, as I've shown us the other time, is checking it on CoinMarketCap. You will see it here. Then the second method is going to this website, which is called blockchaincenter.net. So I believe you have enjoyed this. I believe you have enjoyed this. So if you feel you have value on this video, kindly smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.